Hello traders, today is the 16th of June 2013, and the time in London is 11:57, in New York 6:57. Happy Father's Day to you all. Today is Father's Day. The title of this video is How to Trade Financial Markets Like a Father. Let's get started. Three things come to our mind when we are talking about a father. We are talking about responsibility, decision, and understanding. All right. This is Benoit Mandelbrot. He is the father of fractal geometry. If you are trading financial markets, you must learn to master the fractal trading. When a pattern it form on another time frame, the same pattern can copy itself and paste itself on another time frame. Sometimes a pattern may form on another financial instrument and will copy itself and paste itself on another financial instrument. This is what we call parallel fractal trading. A lot of traders spend most of the time to use the RSI, the MACD, the CCI, the Bollinger Band. This is a technical analysis. But the next level is about fractal trading. And the father of fractal geometry is Mr. Benoit Mandelbrot, which is a French origin Americans, okay? And you can read about Benoit Mandelbrot on Google, Wikipedia, okay, excellence here, and you will learn more about fractal trading. To trade financial market like a father, one must be able, okay, to understand what is fractal trading, not only to know about fractal trading, talking about parallel fractal trading, advanced fractal pattern trading. For instance, when we are using the Elliott wave, we use also the fractal trading. We know that the first wave and the second wave allow us to focus the whole motive wave and the ABC corrective wave. The fractal pattern of the internal wave of the first wave allow us to focus the motive wave. The fractal pattern of the internal wave of the second wave allow us to focus the ABC corrective wave. This is about the Elliott wave cycle, that is form of the motive wave and the corrective wave. Using the fractal pattern or understanding fractal trading, we should be able to make excellent decisions, especially if you are hedge fund, you are long-term investor, you must understand what is fractal trading. There's another dimension for fractal trading. It's about the news, okay? How we can use a fractal for fundamental, for economy news. That's a highest level for fractal trading. But the father of fractal trading, fractal geometry, is Mr. Benoit Mandelbrot. Salut! All right. The next father that we're going to talk about, because today is the Father's Day, is my favorite one here. This is Nelson Elliott. Bravo! Right here, this is Mr. Nelson Elliott. If you use Elliott wave, talking about trading financial market like a father, you want to understand what is taking place in this messy market. This is another person that has given to the market the wave principle. After observing the market for many years, Mr. Nelson Elliott has given to the market, okay, the 13 specific Elliott wave patterns. Now, ladies and gentlemen, if you are a new trader, okay, if you are just playing with the RSI, the stochastic, overbought, oversold, there are more to trading. This is about the Elliott wave trading. And the father of the wave principle, here it is, Mr. Nelson, Ralph Nelson Elliott, has given it to the market. He said to the market that if the price is trending, ladies and gentlemen, the price will display higher lows and high in 5 moves, which is what we call 5 waves. After that 5 waves, if the fundamental, the price has exceeded its fair value too long, all right, there's a high chance that there is a correction. This is a powerful stuff that combining, the Elliott wave with the fractal trading is a powerful tool. And I can assure you, Goldman Sachs, they use Elliott wave. JP Morgan, they use Elliott wave. Best investor hedge funds use Elliott wave. And I'm encouraging ordinary traders also to catch up with the smart money. Talking about trading the financial market like a father, I present you with Gerald Appel. All right, now you know what we are talking about. Gerald Appel is the father, okay, of MACD. Now you know that we are from Stochastic MACD. Our website is www.stochasticmacd.com. You know that I'm a very good fan, excellent number one fan of Mr. Gerald Appel. I'm going to show you here. Here it is. I'm checking all this picture on Google. I hope you can see your chat. Otherwise, this is not this lady though. But for traders, let me zoom into his using my Google Chrome to zoom into it. All right, 200. That's enough now. This is Gerald Appel here. When I'm moving my cursor, is the author of the father of MACD. MACD stands for Moving Average Convergence Divergence. It's a powerful tool. Check our YouTube channel www.youtube.com/Jotrio. I posted a video recently where I talk about how to trade MACD like God. What Mr. Appel has done is beautiful. It's gorgeous. All right. In fact, what he was telling the market is that, ladies and gentlemen, now I'm comparing the moving average 12 to the moving average 26. All right. This is based on a market principle that when a financial instrument is overbought to a certain degree, there's a high chance that financial instrument will return to its fair value. Mr. Appel has done an excellent job by using the moving average 12. And if the moving average 12 is extended too far away from the moving average 26, there's a high chance that the moving average 12 will return back to the moving average 26. All right, so this is about moving average convergence divergence, and the father of MACD is Gerald Appel. Gerald Appel gave to the market MACD in 1970. Mr. Ralph Nelson Elliott has given to the market the wave principle around 1930. All right, George Lane is another one. Is here. Now let's talk about the stochastic. When we are talking about this, is George Lane when he was young. Look at that. Gorgeous, handsome person. And here it is when he gets older a bit. This is George Lane. Now, my name also is George. Now you can understand why I'm so obsessed with stochastic. And if you go to www.stochasticmacd.com, you will learn a lot about the stochastic. This is another father because today is Father Day. It makes sense to talk about the father of the tools, trading tools that we are using. And the stochastic is just comparing the closing price to a range. So if you are using, for instance, because myself I use stochastic 833, 17 for the TSTW24 traders, is that when the stochastic 833 is overbought, it's telling you that the price is on the upper end of the range of the last 8 candle. If you're on the 3-minute chart, it's on the top of the range of the last 8 candle on the 3-minute chart. If on the yearly chart, if your stochastic 833 is overbought, it's telling you that now the price is at the upper end of the range of the last 8 years candle. All right, so this is it. And also when the stochastic 833 is oversold, it's telling you that if we are on the yearly chart, it's telling you that the closing price is now near the lower end of the last 8 years candle. If you're on the hourly chart and your stochastic 833 is oversold, it's telling you that look, the price is now at the lower end of the range of the last 8 hours candle. Okay, so this is about the stochastic, and the father of stochastic is slow stochastic. All right, is George Lane. Salut, Mr. George Lane. All right, so today is a Father Day. You want to understand, you are using MACD, you are using stochastic, you are using Eliaway, you are using fractal trading or fractal geometry. You want to understand this tool. Well, I have noticed that a lot of traders come to us, and one thing that is getting traders to trouble, because trader has been losing before, and they are looking for a quick fix. I can understand that, okay, because we are living in a modern age where computers are helping us to do things very fast. People are rushing, but it's not a waste of time when one spends the time to learn, okay, and to master a tool. One can learn only MACD, one can learn only Elliott wave. And by the way, before I continue, I forget one very important person, which is Robert Prechter, which is the modern equivalent of Mr. Ralph Nelson, because Robert Prechter, the author of the www.eliawayinternational.com, excellent job. He got excellent books also you can read, and he has developed, okay, the theory and helped the market in this modern age, talking about the wave principle. Robert Prechter, salute. All right. The next The next person I want to talk to you about is the father of CCI, the Commodity Channel Index Indicator, Donald Lambert. Here it is, the gentleman here. Yeah, this is a Donald Lambert, all right, and has given to the market the commodity channel index. What the commodity channel index doing is comparing the price to a moving average. But the MACD is comparing a moving average to another moving average. But Donald Lambert said, no, the price is the number one indicator. Let's compare the price to another moving average. Very beautiful. But a lot of traders are misusing, all right, the CCI indicator. In fact, there are many software that have been pumped into the market that are just a crazy software trading robot that are just misused, that are just misusing. They are misusing, okay, the commodity channel index indicator. Overbought does not mean sell. Oversold does not mean buy straight away. One must draw a warning line, okay, and if the price exceeds, okay, the warning line and find a support above it, we can perfectly buy, though the CCI is in overbought zone. So if you are a new trader playing around with the CCI, there is another CCI that I want to talk to traders about. It's about the dual CCI. When traders use two different CCI on the same chart, they put it together. It's about dual CCI, dual D-U-A-L, Delta Uniform Alpha Lima, dual CCI indicator. It's a two CCI combined, two different CCI combined together, and one is using them, okay, but if you want to build a dual CCI trading system, you must understand the CCI, how to use it, and what is the CCI, the story behind the CCI. And here it is, Mr. Donald Lambert, the father of the commodity channels index. Today is Father's Day. It makes sense, okay, to talk about okay, all these important people and how we can okay, make excellent decisions. Because as a trader, somebody trading a market participant, trading the market, the financial market, you want to be responsible and you want to make decisions and you want to understand. So when we are talking about a father, three words are coming to our mind all the time: is being responsible, being capable to make excellent decisions, and be able to understand. I will come back to that very soon. The next person that I can talk about is the next subject is Fibonacci. So we talk about the technical indicator, RSI, stochastic, MACD. There is another person I forget to talk about. Here it is, it's coming now. Is moment please, I'll come back to that in a minute. Okay, hold on a second. Is Mr. Willis Wilder. If my pronunciation is not very good, you can laugh about it very loud. All right, this is okay, Mr. Willis. Okay, yeah, W-E-L-L-E-S. Willis. Is that correct? Okay, put your comment below if you find my pronunciation very funny. Okay, so this is the father of the RSI, the Relative Strength Index. Recently, in fact, I posted a video, or in fact, you can see a lot of material at www.dayprotrader.com. And when I'm talking about the RSI indicator, you can also check on YouTube, www.youtube.com/dayprotraders. The RSI indicator is a very popular indicator. In fact, most professional indicators use the RSI more than the stochastic. You will hear even on Bloomberg, they will talk about RSI, they will put it on their chart. But the RSI indicator is just determining, okay, a bullish zone and a bearish zone. If the RSI is above 50, it's in the bullish zone, so priority to bullish signal. If the RSI is below 50, it's determining a bearish zone, priority to bearish signal. So when the recent gains are higher than the recent losses, okay, the RSI will move above 50. But what I have discovered after observing this powerful indicator is that the RSI, in fact, one can substitute to a certain degree the RSI with the Bollinger Band 50 volatility too. When the RSI crosses above 50, you will notice that very often the price also will go above the moving average 50. When the RSI reaches the 70 or the overbought zone, the price will reach the upper bound of the Bollinger Band 50. All right. On the other hand, if the RSI is oversold, the price will reach also the lower bound of the Bollinger Band 50 volatility too. The GSTW24 traders do not use the RSI; they use instead the Bollinger Band 50 volatility too. The father of the Relative Strength Index indicator is Willis Wilders. This is Mr. Willis Wilders. Salute to you. All right. The next person I want to talk to traders about is okay, John Bollinger. Okay. John Bollinger is the gentleman behind, is the father of the Bollinger Band. Beautiful indicator, powerful indicator. It's not just a band that you plot on the chart, it's a powerful tool. In fact, the Bollinger Band can substitute both for the RSI and also for the CCI indicator. If you want to know more why and how, you go to dayprotraders.com. The Bollinger Band, the father of the Bollinger Band, is John Bollinger. In fact, is what is happening in this market, the deviation from the true value. And the Bollinger Band is excellent tool if you understand, okay, all right, the theory behind the Bollinger Band. A financial instrument will be overbought when it exceeded 3 or 4 times its fair value. All right, it will be oversold when it exceeded 3 or 5 times its fair value. When it goes below its fair value, it's now discounted, okay, God knows 500 times, all right. So that's, okay, an oversold zone. And the Bollinger Band created by Mr. John Bollinger, salute Mr. John Bollinger, is the father of, okay, volatility. Talking about volatility, the volatility is what we talk about, the fear, okay, the reaction taking place in the market, and the bonds are powerful tool. And the Bollinger Band can perfectly, the Bollinger Band 50 volatility 2, okay, will replace completely the RSI indicator to a certain degree. This is not to devalue the RSI, but it's just to highlight another aspect of the RSI indicator. All right, the CCI period 50 can be substituted, okay, by another RSI. The CCI 50 will CCI period 50 is in fact an RSI. All right, so there are more to that. You want to know? Go to dayprotraders.com. The next gentleman that we want to talk about is Fibonacci. If you want to know more about Fibonacci trading and Fibonacci gambling, go to www.hub pages. Look for the article title, okay, Fibonacci trading and Fibonacci gambling, all right, written by myself. What traders are doing, they are forcing the market. Price pull back to 50%. Traders that we call the gun traders, all right, it's not a gun like a gun shooting, gun, okay, G-A-N-N, okay, gun. Look up for it on Google, and they will try to buy. Price reaches 61.8%. People will try to buy, and people do not wait for the price to confirm that there is a valid buy or sell signal before they enter the trade. They are using the Fibonacci retracement level or the Fibonacci extension level like a magic level. You want to master Fibonacci, go to dayprotraders.com. The father of Fibonacci numbers, of Fibonacci sequences, are Leonardo Fibonacci. Salute to all my friends from Italy. All right, happy Father's Day to you all. Leonardo Fibonacci, 13th century, okay, 13th century has discovers this Fibonacci number. 13 is a Fibonacci number, by the way, and in the 13th century, which is another Fibonacci century, Leonardo Fibonacci has discovered the Fibonacci number, and there were more applications to that. Even Mr. Robert Pritchett has incorporated the Fibonacci to the Elliott wave, and these are the fathers of the tool that we have been using in this messy market. To trade the financial market like a father, one must understand 3 things, all right? The first is responsibility. As a trader, you are responsible for your gains and for your losses. You want to give yourself the best, okay, risk-reward ratio. If you follow a bit Goldman Sachs, they spend most of their time to manage risk. It's not that these people cannot trade the market, but they know that the market can go down and can go up and can go horizontal. And sometimes losing trade do happen. So responsibility, 5% money management rules. Develop a kind of money management, okay, rules. A useless money management rules is better than no money management rules at all, all right? The next thing is decision making. We see all the time traders, it's about making decisions. You may decide, sometimes traders think that professionals are in the market all the time. No, they are not in the market all the time, all right? Sometimes you may decide not to trade. So this is about making decisions. I don't want to be in the market today. It's excellent decision. I want to trade today. Today is suitable day for trading. So this is a decision making. Yes, the risk-reward ratio is gorgeous, but the economy news coming out, I don't want to be part of the market. It's about making decisions. Another thing before I close this video about talking about trading the market like a father, though it was not my intention that the video is long like this, my apology to traders. We use what we call market geometry. This is about projection of channel. I'm looking at this stock here, AT&T, American stock, all right? So we see that the price was in a range here on this, yearly chart. There is a range. Whenever the price consolidates, is highlighting a value zone. Now, well, that's all I know. So when we see the range like this and the price goes above the range, we will project the equal side of the channel to the other side. If it goes below the range, we will project it to the downside, equal size, okay? This is knowing, because you want to make a decision. Not only you want to make a decision, you want to know when to make the decision and where to make a decision. As a trader, you want to know the target zone. We use Fibonacci extension, we use pitchfork tools, we use channel projection, we use fractal pattern, we use area weight principle to determine the target zone. If you are TSTW SYS008 trader and you are using the TSTW SYS008 in the void, you are likely to go round without knowing what is taking place. There are something that we call in French les lieux de rendezvous. One of them that the Fibonacci traders are using is the 50% level. 50% retracement level is a psychological price level. Price goes up, pay attention, price goes up from here. Some traders, that's what they use all the time, from here all the way up here. And then it stops, and for one reason, all right, we don't know whether it's a fundamental reason or technical reason or market sentiment or global economy sentiment, it changes direction. That's what we call a spot, a trading zone. Something has happened, something has caused the price to change direction. We can't forget it, we can't discount it. We need to highlight it, we need to be aware of it. Now, because the price moves from here to here, some traders make profit. They are still around watching the reaction. As the market pull back 50%, that's what we call 50% discount. Some traders will look for opportunity to buy in this session here. You want to know the target zone. So talking about making decisions, you want to know where and when one can make decisions. All right? The third word talking about Father's Day or trading the market like a father is understanding. You love to trade Fibonacci, spend time, go to Wikipedia, go to our website, dayprotrader.com, look on the internet, come to YouTube, okay, look around, go to blog, go to forum, spend enough time to understand it. Do not rush, all right? Do not rush, do not be impatient, do not discounting. And just, when I was a new trader before, one thing I was doing, I was trying to avoid all the time, I can tell you that. When I go on YouTube and I see a video talking about the money management, I never watch it. For me, it was like a waste of time, all right? But reality set in later on when I start losing big time. I say, well, I must well go back and watch some of this video, all right? Sometimes a trader may say something, or a senior trader or somebody else may say something, and you may say, no, that's completely wrong, useless. Don't get into that, okay? Try to pay attention. Sometimes we see traders, they will discount something, or they may think that this is useless, but later on you see that trader may see it. Traders use different trading style, which I respect all the time. But then there are some elements that we call market principle that the market does not violate, like price goes in a rising channel, price goes in a declining channel, price goes in a horizontal channel. We can't change that. It doesn't matter whether you are trading Forex, commodity, crude oil, or any other financial instrument. We want to understand those simple things. You want to make a bullish decision, it must be in a rising channel. Primary display, higher lows and higher highs. Price is going down, primary display, lower lows, lower high. As a swing trader, you want to understand also what is the trading triangle, the market first, the sector, before the individual financial instrument. As we are talking about trading the financial instrument like a father, we talk about responsibility, decision, and understanding. All right? Now, there's another thing, because we talk about Wallace Wilder, we talk about Donald Lambert, we talk about George Lane, we talk about Gerald Appel, we talk about Ralph Nelson Elliott, we talk about Leonardo Fibonacci, we talk about John Bollinger, we talk about Benoit Mandelbrot. All right? These are the fathers of the trading tools that we use. All right? But there is another thing that I want to talk to you about. The market leaders, they are like the fathers to the markets. Like ExxonMobil is a market leader for the Dow 30. Do you know that? You are trading any stock, listed on the Dow 30, pay attention to the fathers, so to speak, the leaders, the market leaders. You are trading DAX 30, you are trading Nikkei, you 225, any other on any sector. Know the leaders. The leaders are also like a fathers. The next question, who is the father of YouTube? Who is the father of Facebook? All right, because we're on YouTube, I use YouTube at all. Okay, who is the father of YouTube and who is the father of Facebook? Okay, this social media. Share this video on YouTube or Facebook if you like it. I hope you have learned something from this video about trading the financial market like a father, and we'll put it to use, okay, to make excellent decision. Until the next time, enjoy yourself and be very happy. Happy Father's Day to you all. We are the GSTWSYS 008 traders. Speak to you soon.